Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations and Repairs. Going to show you this one, although I'm going to be a little careful. Biohazard, mold and mildew. It's a Nissan Juke. These things were kind of interesting. Square boxy style, kind of like a Kia Soul, kind of like a, what was the other one there? The Scion TC or XC, I think it was, that kind of had that squared off look. I like the look of these cars. They're unique in a world of nothing but bubble cars. It was kind of set itself apart. Little teeny four-cylinder in this thing, and you can see this one has not been picked through. There's some information off the tag for you. Not a popular car, and as a result, even in the junkyard, not a popular car to pick from. Of course, that biohazard warning might be keeping people away from opening the doors, myself included. I would have to say on this car, probably transmission failure is what brought it here. And then it likely sat in somebody's yard until they were tired of looking at it. Nissan has a terrible issue with transmissions. There's no secret to that. 2009 model from the looks of it. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. It's the Cube, not the Juke. My bad. Yeah. Interesting car. The color on this is cool too. It's very different. It's kind of unique. I dig it. I'm not going to say that it's the nicest color. I wish they would do that in a metallic pea green, but it's got kind of an army vibe to it with that. Little four-spoke, four-lug rims on it as well. And, you know, honestly, you could use it as a small cargo van. I don't know how well that's going to show inside with all that mold, but the seats fell down, so you do have a good storage space, minivan-esque space in there. Something to play with anyway. Yeah, so that is the 2009 Nissan Cube. I don't know, these weren't made for very long. That's likely why there's nothing missing off of it so far. Till next time, my friends, take care.